IBIS Power is a scale-up company from Eindhoven, the Netherlands, and we are founded on the beliefs that we must care about climate change and we must care about living in balance with our planet and with nature.
Rotterdam is committed to fight climate change on the local level. And that's why we, together with more than 100 companies and organizations, made the Rotterdam Climate Agreement. And our purpose is to become a climate neutral city.
Thanks to the governments, building owners and building developers today need to apply sustainability measures. One way that they can do it is PowerNEST.
What I especially like about the PowerNEST is that it's a smart combination between generating solar power and wind power, and especially in a city like Rotterdam with a lot of rooftops.
This PowerNEST solution generates 6 to 8 times more energy than normal solar panels. Because of the combination of wind and solar, it's generating 50 to 20% more efficiency not only for the solar panels, but it also generates 24 hours a day energy from the wind.
So how does PowerNEST work? PowerNEST combines wind and solar energy in one integrated structure. So in one way we lift up the whole roof surface, go 1 meter over the facade, making use in the most efficient way of the roof surface for solar panels. We capture the wind under it, accelerate it through a wind turbine, which is an acceleration between 140 and 160%, the most efficient way for wind energy, and that same wind cools the panel from the bottom.
It was really nice to design with PowerNEST as a design solution for this project, a very sustainable solution. It was actually not part of our design in the beginning, it was part of the design of the other architect. But then the wind calculations came and it appeared that it was way more efficient to place it on our building, where we are close to the river, we have a lot of wind coming in. First thing we said to the client was, okay, we can add it to our building, but we need 3 PowerNEST, not 1. So that it can really fill the whole roof and it really can become a crown of the building and really part of the design.
But we already have the design on the drawing table to produce even 25% more energy on the roof space. I see a future where all buildings are fully supplying their own energy needs. PowerNEST opens this possibility even for the large buildings, creating smart, self-sustaining and healthy cities.